Let me introduce myself. My name is Khaira Umatin. I want to review an article about the impact of crisis and disaster risk management COVID-19 times, insight and lesson learned from Arab Saudi. The first one, historical framework of disaster in Saudi Arabia. And according to Emergency Event Database, which published historical disaster statistics, Saudi Arabia has experienced only 2 epidemic-caused disaster events. The first one, in 2012, Saudi Arabia suffered from the large Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus, which has affected over 1,030 people and caused 453 deaths. In September 2012, the World Health Organization has reported cases of Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus infection from 26 countries. Report cases have essentially been from Middle East countries, and a few number of European and East Asian countries have reported individuals who had traveled to the Middle East. Next, institutional framework of disaster risk management in Saudi Arabia. The first one, conceptual framework of disaster risk management. Disaster risk management is defined by United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction as the system process of using administrative directive, organization and operational skills and capacities to implement strategies, policies and improve coping capacities in order to lessen the adverse impact of hazard and the possible of disaster. Next, the current disaster risk reduction system in KSA. The last statistical consideration of COVID-19 outbreak in Saudi Arabia. Next, COVID-19 impact and measures taken by Saudi government in combat COVID-19 pandemic. The first one, initiative of the kingdom to take COVID-19 pandemic. The Saudi government has taken many initiatives respond to the impact of the of the novel coronavirus pandemic. Next, COVID-19 impact on the healthcare system and psychosocial consequences. COVID-19 reduced service and treatment rates in Saudi Arabia healthcare system as the government mobilized its medical service to take the COVID-19 outbreak. And the last, the role of Saudi risk reduction management framework. Next, government steps to regulate public health. The first one, infection prevention at hospital. Next, public contact and education, and the last, social distancing of measure of physical effect. That's all for me. Thank you very much and see you.